All right, welcome back, guys. Yeah, this is gonna be a new series on the YouTube channel. So basically, I'm just gonna update you guys every week on how this. So I'm growing Monte Carlos right now in a. This is the UNS 60U. So I actually just picked this up yesterday night off a guy, and got a really good deal, guys. So I'm going to be growing a little bit of Monte Carlos in this tank, and basically I just want to come on here today and just explain to you guys. I'll be doing weekly updates on how to grow Monte Carlos, and yeah, we'll be doing weekly updates. And so I got this one going on right now, and I'm using a, so at the top, if you guys can see, I am using the Twin Star 60B. Beautiful light. All I need to get is the adapter, just because I can't turn it on and off for now. But again, the guy gave me this tank and the Twin Star light for such a good price, so I had to go and get it last night. So I got that going on. Yeah, so for this we're using what I would call aqua soil. So we're using aqua soil, and what I've been doing is basically we have some water with a little bit of fertilizer, and I just kind of spray like this daily. If I leave the top open, then I would spray maybe 3 to 4 or maybe 3 to 5 times a day. We got that one going on over here. The other one we have is this one over here. So this is the UNS 3N. We got this couple months ago actually, and I was like not too sure what I wanted to do with it. And then we're just again growing some Monte Carlos in here as well. And we're using the Fluval, the Nano Light 3.0. This is from Fluval. Again, thank you Fluval for sponsoring us. And yeah, so we're just gonna do weekly updates on this tank as well as this tank over here. Why is the focus not working? There we go. And yeah, just kind of spray it. I use a fertilizer in the water. There's no root tab. Again, this is aqua soil, and I mixed it with aquatic plant soil. So we mixed those two together, and we should get a nice carpet out of it. So that's all I wanted to come and say on the YouTube channel. I know I haven't been updating you guys for maybe 2 weeks-ish, through 3 weeks, but this is the next project that I've been working on. And let's see, where's Reeboks? Reeboks is doing good. I think he's, oh, look at him. He's hiding under the leaf there. But Reeboks is doing good. He's growing. He's been eating a lot of food lately, so yeah, he's good. And I'll see you guys in the next video.